Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see general direction in the market. Now, from the monthly perspective, we can see that gold is a long-term bullish market. We have seen this from this monthly support with this big monthly impulse. Gold created this big move to the upside, followed by this correction on the monthly to this another monthly support. And from this monthly support, we have seen that after this gap opening, gold has a bounce to the upside again. Now, previous months, what we saw that gold has formed this monthly bullish engulfer that is on this important monthly level of support, creating a higher low, has a strong impulsive move to the upside. Followed by this months, we have seen that gold so far, after a little pullback to the downside, gold has created another monthly bullish candle. Now, with that bullish candle in the first 3 weeks, we have seen after creating a new impulse, gold has come back yesterday during this New York session. We have seen that exactly to the monthly support zone and has another bounce because it's a long-term bull market. We have seen a strong bounce on gold. Now with that bounce, we can expect a little more push to the upside on the lower time frame. What we see on gold now, looking at weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, gold has come to this weekly support, which is quite important level. As you can see, this is also the monthly support zone, and from that weekly support we have seen that gold has another bounce to the upside, creating an overextended market. Back to back two times gold has once created an overextended here and then has broken this level to the monthly support, has another bounce. Now with that bounce, what we can expect is this is a long-term bullish market, and from the weekly perspective we see there is already a strong bullish momentum in that zone, followed by a triangular pattern which is also a bullish pattern. We saw that after this weekly middleman, the previous week has formed this doji. Now all this price action is a strong bullish. We can expect now gold to go ahead and break this weekly high at least before creating any move to the downside again. So with that being said, we can expect now gold to go ahead and test the weekly resistance zone. Now looking at daily, we can see that from the daily perspective there was an overextended move to the downside on gold during this New York session, as we have seen yesterday, and this is an important level of support also from the daily perspective. And from that support we saw that gold in fact has a big bounce to the upside on the daily. Currently, the price is just above this daily support zone here, and from this support, we see that again the bulls are buying this market. Now, at the same time, we can see that there's a daily resistance zone here. This is the trend line that, from the daily perspective, the price was respecting for quite a few days. And the way the price action we see is because gold has a bounce from this significant level, we can expect now the price to go ahead and test this daily resistance zone again, or even breaking this high before moving to the downside. So from the monthly, weekly, and daily, we see that the price action and market structure aligning with bullish momentum. Now, if we look at lower time frame on the 4 hour, we saw that there is a weakless candle so far. This candle is looks like they're strongly bullish, and we saw that this there was a big strong movement from this 4 hour time frame from this support zone on the monthly. After a narrow correction we saw previous session, this 4 hour candle also has a huge liquidity grab from breaking this back to back two sessions low. And we saw that now this session, as soon as market open, showing significant bullish move to the upside. If we look at the 1 hour chart, we see that gold is, from this 1 hour perspective, after testing this 20 EMA, again the bulls strongly pushing that price to the upside. We saw that after testing this level where there is a weakless candle on the 1 hour time frame, gold is showing strong bullish momentum. According to our TFS strategy, we could see that gold having another bounce to the upside. So on the lower time frame, we're waiting for an entry opportunity along this zone on gold. As you can see on the 15 minutes as well, we saw a strong liquidity grab from this support. So as soon as we will find again another entry opportunity on gold, we will consider going long. in this movement for this short move to the upside, and we'll be waiting for the price to go ahead and test this daily resistance level. If we draw this level here on the horizontal level, we can see that the price highly likely could go ahead and test this 2005, or even breaking this high to this level around 2007 level could be an important area to look at for the gold to go ahead and test. And we could see even break of this high, which is the previous day's high. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along the zone on gold, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Let us know what's your setup on gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.